Hey folks, Aptagrim has opened its application for the roles of Python developer intern and UX design intern and is hiring for the same through its internship drive 2021. You can join our Telegram channel or check our website for more updates on active jobs, internships and scholarships. The job location for both the roles is Hyderabad, but you will be working from home until the conditions are not well. You can expect a decent salary throughout this role. If you are selected for the Python developer internship, then you will be responsible for writing effective and scalable code, developing backend components to improve responsiveness, integrate user-facing elements into the application, testing and debugging program, and improving functionality of the existing code, along with implementing security and data protection solutions, coordinating with the team, writing documentation, and working with the data scientists to improve software. To apply for this role, you need to have experience working as a Python developer, expertise in Django, knowledge of ORM, RESTful APIs, front-end technologies, GitHub, Jira, AWS and Heroku platform. You also need to have excellent communication, teamwork, problem-solving skills. If you are selected for the UX designer role, then you will be responsible for designing sitemap, wireframes, mockups, understand the difficulty and devise solution for it, performing research and analyzing the expectation of the user, collaboratively designing with the other partners, representing user stories across multiple devices, and working on new ideas by taking smarter risks. To apply for this role, you need to have proven experience in UX designing, experience with Figma, Sketch, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, ability to work with cross-functional team, open to constructive feedback, and give great attention to details. The internship applications for both the roles are now open and you can apply through the link given in the description.